Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie Ramos, and today, girl, you guessed it, we're vlogging. Woo! I'm just kidding. Y'all thought. No. If y'all want to vlog, let me know, but it's a boring quarantine over here at my house, so I don't think a vlog would be good, but let me know if y'all want one. But no, we are doing the highly anticipated room tour. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. And if you want to keep on watching this video and see my room, then just keep on watching, girl. Period. Disclaimer, because my room my room, I've been working on it for several years, just because I am bougie on a budget. That meaning that I get a lot of my things from thrift stores, from garage sales, from all these different places, just because I do not like spending a lot of money on decor. I like to do a lot of things DIY. My mom also likes to do a lot of thrifting, garage sale, searching, and all of that stuff. So most of my things in my room are going to be very unique, I guess. So, and DIY'd. So, yeah. Most of the things I won't be able to like link down below or whatever, because most of the things are DIY'd or thrifted. Yeah. Basically, I kind of just take inspiration from kind of like other beauty gurus' rooms, but I just like DIY it and, you know, do it myself in a cheaper way, because I'm not gonna pay for a vanity that's like a vanity mirror that's $200. Maybe down the road, yeah, but girl, I'm broke. I'm doing this bougie on a budget. We're gonna go straight to my room just because my parents are here and it's loud. So going into my room, you walk in, you get an overview of my little place. Anyways, when you walk in, you see the overview of my room. And yes, so let's start on this side of my room, because this is the side that is mostly a lot of stuff. And I just have hats, so they're just hung there. Now, my vanity, my desk is new. It is from IKEA, so you can find this on the IKEA website. I will link it down below. Yes. My mirror, however, my mirror and my lights are all DIY'd and thrifted. So this mirror was probably like a brown mirror, and I think it was a frame. Actually, it was probably a frame, and then we just found a mirror and we just put it in the frame. So it's really DIY'd. So we painted this white, and then we also painted this light strip white, and we put these types of bulbs, like the Beauty Guru bulbs, to DIY it, so it would be my vanity. Yes, I was eating a brownie, so don't mind that. Yeah, fake flowers. My favorite flowers are roses, but you know, they don't last that long. So I'll just have fake ones, so they're always alive. Let's go into my drawers, because y'all want to see this. Okay, my drawers. All of my containers in my drawers, I got them from the dollar store. So yeah, these containers, this is a three-way divider one. So it's like that. So it's like that. And then I just have like all my makeup in here. My favorite lashes are the Ardell 113s. Bomb. Get yourself some. But this is kind of, I was going to use this for my sewing room to put buttons in here, but I just decided to use it for earrings, like small little earrings like this. But yeah, and rings and stuff like that. So I have that. And that's, so basically these ones are also from the dollar store. This container is also from the dollar store. This little tray, I think I got this from the dollar section at Target. So I just keep like my leftover lashes and bobby pins and stuff, like miscellaneous things that I just need on hand. This little mirror, these mirrors, I got them from the dollar store also. They're super cute. And then this fan for your, when you set your makeup and you're just like this, period. Just fan it out and it has little butterflies on it. This is from the dollar store. So my makeup containers, I also actually, most of them, I get them from the dollar store, or I made this one in ceramic class in high school a long time ago. This one I got in Forever 21 when I used to work there. But you can find these on Amazon and stuff. This little cage thing with all of my skincare, everyday skincare in it, from Target. This little drawer thing, lipstick drawer thing, I'm guessing, I think I also got it from the thrift store, but you can probably find it on Amazon, or the dollar store also has stackable ones. This one also from the dollar store. My diffuser is also from, you guessed it, the thrift store, and it works, so great find. And then at the bottom of my desk is a bookshelf with my shoes in it, but we painted it white, so I just put my shoes there. This cart, I needed this cart because I have a lot of makeup. This cart is from Michaels. I used a 40% off coupon and it came out really, really cheap, so I just decided to get it and build it since we were in quarantine, and it got shipped to my house. So yeah, because I was organizing my room, so I just, yeah, I needed it. And I just have like hair stuff and a lot of like makeup palettes. I have some Morphe palettes here, more palettes, my creative glittery stuff gems, and then like extra skincare, extra lashes, and masks in here. But yeah, and then my little jade rollers, skincare stuff. This is from Target, this little thing, and I just have like hair bows and clips and stuff like that. This body oil, it's super good. It's from Target and it's in French Rose. It's super nice and it smells bomb. These paintings, this is from Joann's. I just liked it because it had a vintagey feel, and it kind of goes really well for this section because this is really like vintagey and it's just like cute. And also I really love fashion, and I just like seeing like all the different dresses and like styles over the years. I just love that. This jewelry box thing, I got it from Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so this jewelry box, basically I got it on Facebook Marketplace and we just repainted it white and just made it look a little bit better. It was white before, but it kind of had like scratches on it, so we just repainted it and whatever. 20 bucks. Isn't this so nice for 20 bucks? Once the stores open again, I'm gonna what is it called? Refurbish like the insides, because I don't like the green. I want it like a pink or a nude, so it looks more with my aesthetic. But yeah, I basically have my jewelry here, and then again roses and a vintagey mirror from the dollar store. And it's just like, it's a vibe. Okay, so over here I have a nightstand. This one is from Target. I just have my iPad here where I draw pictures and stuff, and then just like random stuff in that drawer. This lamp is from, you guessed it, the thrift store. Yeah, it's just super cute. Matches my room, my bed, my AirPods. So the base of this is actually wooden. Oh, my knee cracked. Wow. Basically It's just wooden panels to make it. My mom made it for me, so it would lift up my bed. And we didn't use a frame, so just wood. It's from, what is it called? TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx, super cute. I love it. Frida, yes, and it goes with my room because roses, red, goes with the theme. This mirror, oh, this is a cute mirror. So this mirror right here, I also got it from Facebook Marketplace. It cost me probably like $20, $30, I don't know. But it was like a black frame, and we painted it white so it would go with my room. But yeah, basically it's super cute, super vintagey. It goes with like the aesthetic of my room, clearly. I love this mirror. And then over here I just have my candles, and then bags are in there, and bags are in this little like storage thing. I still have to organize this, but I don't know how to organize it, so it's just, it's fine for now. It doesn't really bother me because I mostly see this instead of looking up there. But yeah, I love hats. I have braids, I don't know, but these cute little hats. I have hats here. I have more hats and bags downstairs and more clothes downstairs. I just have too much shit. My closet is just with the fabric and a little thingy to hold the fabric. And then I just have shoes up there, and then more shoes down here. It's a mess. This is not color coordinated. Okay. So, yeah, that's my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, most of my stuff are DIY'd or from the thrift store, honestly. Bougie on a budget. My mom basically raised me like that. We DIY everything, we thrift everything because we just like saving money, like, period. And I just grew up like that, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is going to be a little bit long, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.